In general, as you know, our sealing screws are mainly used in battery solutions, in lithium battery solutions in electric cars. The screws are not only used in batteries where no water can go in or has to go in. They are also used in applications where liquids or gases are not allowed to go out. Our design of the screw is so designed, is so optimized that we have the same functionality and the same lifespan than a normal metric screw. What we know is that the lifetime of our sealing concepts is better than the lifetime of the battery, but we are still developing and making tests and trials to get more information and more precise information on the lifetime of the sealing concepts. For sure, mainly the battery-driven vehicles are affected. As you see, 150 screws per battery, this is a huge volume. But also the hybrids and also the combustion engines are affected because we have sealing points in the gearbox, etc. pp.